Hello everyone, my name is Ifeatu Onubogu. Welcome to the Iron Lady YouTube channel. For the last 20 years, I worked as a network engineer using Cisco and Arista products on both wired and wireless networks. During the course of my work, I have utilized so many free tools. I prefer to use these free open source applications whenever possible. They have really been of great help to me. Free is good. On this channel, I will review free apps and tools, give you tips to help you up your skills and increase your productivity, bring easy to understand tutorials to you, and do product reviews. This YouTube channel makes learning easier. Just watch, listen, and do. Our tutorials will help you learn at your own pace. Helpful information and links will be listed in the video descriptions. These links will not cost you anything to use, but will help us support this channel. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Please do not hesitate to reach out. Thank you. Bye.